This tutorial will guide you through the step-by-step process of processing payroll using a credit card. In the side panel, select Payroll by Credit Card to access the Payroll by Credit Card dashboard. On this screen, click the Start button to initiate the process. Here, you can connect a payroll app for a personalized setup, manually enter payroll details, or install the payroll extension. For example, let's connect with Gusto. Enter your business name in the required field. The corresponding provider name will appear here. Then, click Confirm to continue. You can see the connected applications here. Additionally, you can disconnect the connected applications from here, if needed. If you want to connect more application, use this button. Add payroll details manually using this button. Enter your amount, payroll check date, and upload the payroll summary. You can access the sample payroll summary PDF files by utilizing the respective buttons provided here for download. Once you have submitted the payroll details, click on the Add button. You can edit the payroll date and amount using these edit icons. You can select the bank account for processing payroll. If needed, you can add a new bank account using this button or select an existing one from the drop-down. You must verify your selected bank account for payroll transactions. Upload the bank statement file and click Submit to proceed. In the same way, you can select a credit card. Then, select the payment method which you would like to process, the payroll transaction. This button lets you process your payroll, simply confirm your payment, and click Process. Before processing your first payment with this card, upload the front and back images of the card to complete the verification process. After completing these steps, click on Next. Then, add your signature and click Verify to complete the process, and your payroll will be processed. By clicking here, you can see the transaction details and status. You can shorten the list based on the number of entries and customize the column displayed in the table from here.